Electricize Art. So we're gonna be doing a landscape, and please don't forget to do this survey. It's just like a couple of questions, so please do them. Again, the link will be in the description. And yeah, so basically we're gonna be drawing a landscape. So I just like got a reference page or something, like, you know, just kind of got an idea. I do not take credit for this palette because I don't remember where I got it. I think from hazelong.com. I really don't remember, but I didn't make it. I just like made a few details, like, or a few like, I kind of fixed it up a bit, like, because I didn't really use it. Like, I didn't really use most of the colors. I just like used maybe the purple and blue and pink sides. So I'm just gonna link it in the description anyway. So you want to start off with the soft brush, and don't make it too large because the soft brush is really large. I also want to say that I was gonna post IBSX paint tutorial, but I just like couldn't know what to do with it. So like I think on Thursday there might be like, I might post IBSX paint tutorial. And for the part 2 of the YouTube channel change discussion, I won't be posting that video now because I still haven't figured out how to make the website yet, but once I do, you guys will be informed. So I was just like, as you guys can see, like, you know, there's like different shades of color, which is really awesome and gives you that perfect landscape vibe. I started off with a square canvas, but I always use square canvas, by the way, but I felt like it was too small for a landscape because I think, like, just like look at the photo that I have on my left. It's just like more rectangular form, so I ended up actually resizing the canvas and making it larger. And actually the green part at the end didn't also I didn't really use it. I wiped it off at the end. I didn't really have a clear idea on this, and I just like went with the flow, like, you know, I just had ideas in my mind, and I drew the mountains, I sketched them out, and I didn't go with the lake at the bottom. And I also colored them in, and of course don't worry about the extras, we're gonna always erase them because we want our drawing really nice. And also I ended up changing the tree shape because I didn't really like it, and yeah, I'm just like practically erasing it right now. Okay, so now I changed the opacity of the sketch and outlined the mountains on the outside. I swear, you guys, like, yeah, you guys saw the thumbnail, it turned out really beautiful. Like, I really love it. And tell me if you guys like really want those kind of like landscape tutorials and stuff like that, or do you guys like prefer like more of the human tutorials, like how to draw an eye or how to draw like lips or stuff like that. Just like make sure to comment down below. Okay, so now I was sketching up the tree, but like I went back to the photo because I didn't really want the tree trunk to be showing. I forgot how the photo looked like, so I just like ended up, you know, seeing the photo again, and I moved it. Like, I swear this landscape was really nice. So of course, if you guys don't know, that in trees, of course, there are really variations in the branches. Like, you know, there's like one big, one small, but like each and every one of them, like at the end there's like a really larger part. I don't know how to explain this, but like, don't you guys like see me like adding some thick parts at the end? I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Yeah, like, yeah. Like, just like at the end I'm trying to make it thicker, and like at the really first I'm making it like smaller, you know, and thinner, skinnier in size. I also added more along while I was drawing. If you guys didn't know, there's an app called Mini Bag Paint. I really had a video idea, and I actually created a video where I was trying out many apps, but I didn't end up posting it because I accidentally deleted it. Yeah, but like, do you guys want me to do a tutorial about it or something? Just make sure to comment. So now we're adding flowers, which I really felt was kind of cute, you know, like those little pink blossom flowers. It just gave a lot to the landscape drawing. And I was also adding more thin branches along and doing that thick edge thingy. The flower process was really nice. Like, I really liked the flowers. You know, you can just do it in variations again. Like, I didn't really care to color them in because, like, if you guys can see, I didn't really like color fill them because, like, I felt that, you know, giving them those sketchy vibe just like adds a lot to the painting, or the landscape. Okay, so we're almost done with the flowers. Okay, so now we go to a new layer, and actually I don't wait what is, oh yeah, I was trying to add a little bit of dark shade at the top because, as you guys can see in the photo, it's like way darker. The thing is, like, I didn't really like the blue at the bottom, and I wanted to add stars, and then, like, I used, like, this face needle thingy. It's, like, freckles, and I added them as small stars because there was, like, no way I'm gonna do, like, all these stars. And now I actually ended up changing the, landscape colors, and like now it's like way more beautifuler. I just like love it. And look, I told you that the green part didn't really matter because at the end I erased it. I'm like, just look at it now. So I decided to actually go for a whole like lake as in the photo, and I was adding some kind of textures on the mountains. It's my first time actually doing a landscape tutorial or something like that. I'm not a pro at it, but like, yeah. And I decided to color the lake this like really grayish purplish color, but I just like ended up scratching the lake idea and went for a really like huge lake, you know. And I added a dash of blue. I know that's like not really nice or something, or I don't know what you guys' opinion or something like that, but it just gave a lot of dimension because it just gave the color scheme of the moon, which I didn't draw now. So I drew flower petals falling from the tree, which I really loved. They gave the landscape lots of life. It gave it, like, again, I didn't really care about the sketching thingy. I just like didn't really fill them, and I copy and pasted them because I'm lazy. And of course, like, I didn't really like that all of them are like on the straight line, so I moved this, and oh my god, you guys, like the landscape starting to come together. And I drew a moon, like a crescent, you know, because I felt that's like really cute. Like the crescent gave a really nice dimension. Yeah, like everything about this landscape gave really nice dimension because the moon is shining, so it had to like shine that way on the lake, and it also had to kind of a little bit shine on the mountains. I tried to do like, you know, a reflection, but I couldn't. I just suck at it. And I was making sure that I was recording because like my brain was like, are you recording? Like, I say this in every video, guys. Like, the moment you realize you're not recording, I swear your face. And then anywho, you do the Gaussian blur, and yeah, on the mountain and lake, and that's it. It really came out to be really cute, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and that's it. Love you guys so much, and make sure to comment down below if you want me to do a mini bang paint tutorial or something like that, or any suggestions. I really love hearing your ideas, and love you all. Bye.